This is Eric Whiteside with Whiteside Tactical Solution. We just wanted to give you a quick overview of what went down at our Tactical Emergency Casualty Care course. This was a long day, but we had a great time. Training was intense, demanding, stressful, but also fun and educational. All participants earned their Department of Defense Stop the Bleed certification, but 4 of the participants took it up a level to earn their American Heart Association Basic Lifesaver certification, also known as BLS.
One time, you done paid back.
You can flip over page 3 and 4. Page 4, the biggest thing when it comes to the goals of Tactical Emergency Casualty Care. Balance we're focusing on. We want you all to be medically prepared, medically ready, capable, and
the training was broken up into different sections. Course introduction, hemorrhage control with Care Under Fire, patient movement, airway management, CPR and AED training, radio communications, and team scenarios.
To the angle of the jaw. Well, sorry, from the nose to the angle of the jaw. That's the length you're supposed to have. Bevel. That's how you know it. Bevel is always to the septum. When they develop these, they realize septum. The other thing is that if inside of your nose, the septum is very sensitive. It's so for a child, there's 2. Next. You okay? All right. You okay? All right. You okay?
He's great at me. He presented very well, and I was like, yeah, I've heard him before. So
oh wow.
You got the little one.
Hey, everybody, take a knee, get down.
Take a knee, take a knee.
To the right, to the right.
Everybody, get on line, get on line.
Move up, move up, move up.
Get on line.
Give me some fire down range. Going up this hill, we don't want to be
Baby needs CPR. What do we do?
Bats in front of us. Enemy get bats in front of us.
Engage!
Come on, hurry up! Let's go, medic! Left, contact left.
You can take it off. No injuries right now. Everybody's good. All right, let's go. Get the line. To the line, to the line, to the line. I see movement up front. Contact front. Engage.
Oh yeah, thank y'all for coming out supporting us. Like I say, this is one of our very first ones.
I can just echo, thank y'all for coming out. Really can't tell you how much the support means. It's appreciated.
If you, your team, or organization is looking for this type of training, make sure to email us at info@whitesidetacticalsolutions.com or visit our website at www.whitesidetacticalsolutions.com. Don't miss out.